Hey guys, this is gonna be my house right here, and this bird just keeps coming on. See, look at that. This fucking bird's just coming out of nowhere, like trying to kick its ass because of reflection, or just trying to get in. See, look at that. Look at that retarded bird. Fucking retard. Why don't you just run into it from way far away? God, it scared the shit out of me. Woke me up. Thought someone was trying to break in. And that was crazy. Alright, well, I guess it stopped, but... Oh no. Oh, no. There was that fucking retarded bird again. Oh, there it goes. It's gonna end up fucking killing itself, I swear. It really is. It's retarded. Let's see if this aggravates it. Alright, well, I'm pretty sure it's done now, so... Oh, wait. Oh, no, it's done. Yep, it's definitely done. See you guys. Thanks for watching my retarded bird video. Bye.